now. Come on, man. What I went now? What did you stop now?
Your man
What are you doing now?
Your man follow you for money.